In this video, we're going to learn how to view feedbacks on exams and quizzes on Brightspace and different ways of viewing it. We can access feedback by going to Exams and Quizzes tab of the navigation bar. Please note that we will not be able to see this tab if the instructor did not enable it in the course. From here, we're able to see a list of exams and quizzes. If we completed a quiz under the Evaluation Status column, we will see a message that says Feedback on Attempt that we can select. Once this is selected, we can view our overall grade for each attempt. And if we click on the link to the attempt, we can see additional details. After we clicked on the attempt, we can see our overall feedback for the quiz or exam. We're also able to view feedback on individual questions by clicking View Question Feedback. However, this part will not be shown if the instructor did not enable this feature. Another option is to view feedback in the Class Progress tool. Please note that we will not be able to see this tab if the instructor did not enable it in our course. After we arrive at the Class Progress tool, we can select the Quizzes tab from the list of items on the left. In the Quizzes tab, we can view our completed exam or quiz. If we clicked on Details, we can see the overall feedback left by the instructor. If the instructor left feedback on individual questions, it can be accessed by clicking on the link to the attempt. Please note that the instructor must have enabled the setting to show questions with user responses in the quiz. Thank you for watching, and please stay up to date on all Brightspace videos by subscribing to our channel.